Well, alright people, welcome to SouFLoTV again. Once again, it's your host with the most you done know. Alright. We just done box off a plate of blood cleat oxtail. I'm tired of it. My work. My name's not gonna talk about that. Here I'm come to talk about. May I read that thing just now? You see? And the story says that a man was on his way to work. Yes, this happened in Jamaica, in New Kingston. Okay. A man was on his way to work, or from work, one of them, when him see some girls, a group of girls, soliciting for sex. That means, for people who don't really know, them want to dash out the pum pum, or suck off something, for money. In exchange for money. So anyway, the story goes that this brother was lured, meaning so them draw him by winking and come now and call him in some dark corners and thing. Called him away into the dark, and when him go around there, I guess them pop off them wig and when him go around there, him get to realize there's a group of men here. A group of men had lured him. Now, I don't know about the lured thing, because some man dirty and nasty and closeted homosexual them, and damn well know say a man a call you. You probably never expect say so much of them are go, this a one year go draw and go around the two. So anyway, this is how the report went. Before me give my biased opinion, yes, I'm a biased opinion, but before me give my biased opinion, let me say how the story go. Let me say the man get lured on his way from work or to work. Him see some girls and thing, a group of girls that start time and ray. Come now, how much you have and them thing there. So him go down there to go get some like gully there. Alright. As he was lured away, the end of his story was he was found tied up with rope to one gate. Feet tied up, hands tied up, body fuck out. So the man them do him all kind of manner of evil around there. The cross dressers, as them call them, or the bottom on them, more plainly put. Now, I can come by here and say, John, no, Jamaica, that a go on? Yeah, man, dress up as woman and trick man, and then rob and rape man. Nah, sir. Nah, sir. So you see, I don't have to be weird now, you know, cause all the picture that, like the picture that come out the other day with Tony Mataran and the two girls, and a brethren of mine from Canada, who grew up in Canada, even though she a yardie, grew up around them, and she make me know, say, yeah man, a two girls for real, man. And from picnic days, I know them. You know them just, like Tony Mataran did I say, I don't defend Mataran, I just saw some other more trusted sources that tell me, because when you see my video them from before, me did say what the masses said, and some man them that just up like, yeah. But apparently, taking it from my trusted source, a some girl and the whole heap of reggae tag them put on make them look like some man who try to look like girls. I don't know why, but I saw it thing go. So I guess in Jamaica now we have to be very, very careful. That means brother, when you look at a woman here, sir, make sure you look at a woman that is stripped all the way back. I say stripped all the way back, me mean say she have to go back to her natural. You know, if she in her natural state, as a man don't look her. Unless you're a woman where you know or a girl where you know from little. Now we're not no strange woman. We have one bag of makeup and one bag of weave, especially when the jawbone look tough. And some of them nowadays, they're so good with the makeup as an illusion thing, you know. They're so good with the makeup and the dressing and the thing that you got to go so and look so. You swear says a girl you see No sir. That's why boy I'm afraid. I don't go out there. I'm glad I'm married still. My thing locked down for 10 years now. I'm straight. Straight in more ways than one. Like a ruler. This a ruler no bend neither. But anyway, it's tragic for no say. It come to that. Like transsexuals robbing or luring men. Cause man a man, you know. Regardless of what you want to say, a man is a man. A man have nature. A man have needs. You know what I say? So if a man see a girl with look like she's to his liking and she a wink eye and a psst and a come here now and feel I'll ride you. You think say a man a got try deal with them situation. Yeah man a natural thing. Most natural thing. But if you go around there now when Janice a call you and when you reach around there you find out that Janice is Jonathan and Jonathan have 7 more brethren around there and the whole of them look alike. Just up in a woman things and they tie you up and I go deal with the case now. They don't have to kill me around there no man. They would have to kill me first around there. I don't know if this a brother that put up no fight. The extent of the story, the source that I read the story from says check the Star newspaper for the full story. When we check the Star newspaper for the full story, the people then plagiarize the Star thing and I write it in the exact words where the Star write the story, you know. So that's the full story. I guess that was their way of giving the Star credit for the story by telling it to check the Star for the full story for make them know say Star them get the story from. But then don't give you everything where Star say already, so I'm no more than dep on it. So I don't know. I don't know if the man was found with defensive wounds cause he must get chopped up and cut up cause he did a fight so hard, but boy, how you gonna fight so hard when hand tie up, foot tie up? I don't know here people. It's SouFLoTV man, I want to hear what you think about that one here. Cause that one here nasty. That one here dirty. Sizzler, I want to hear what you think about that one here. I want to go on to Jamaica Sizzler because I say you don't know visa, you know, you say. That means you're not fly out and you say you're not fly out, so Jamaica here London and Jamaica here USA. Alright. And you say certain things can't come in that place. What bubble them I deal with? And them things happen in New Kingston. We know so them out there, you know, come tell people that I already said last time I was in Jamaica last Christmas. When my cousin drive past in our late night there up in New Kingston, cause you him go and me that stay at one hotel before we meet up for go country. And we drive past in our late night, we go look some food and I say, yo cuz, you see the whole heap of girl around there so? And he said, a be a man them there. I said, no man, a woman there, cause I couldn't believe say at that in a Jamaica. The man said, dawg, me I tell you say a woman them cause. Matter of fact, I spin around and drive around, I go show you say a woman them. Say, me I tell you say a man them him say. Me I drive around, I go show you say a man them. And because the flash by again, and I say, buckler. Yeah, when I get one good look man. I don't go close to them and talk to them or nothing. But you can see from afar, say. But if you speed by in a car, no, but at the same time when you slow down and really take a look, you can definitely tell say a man them is a group of man out there. So it's not like I'm making it up, people. Enough people come on SouFLoTV and tell me about a blood clot, but the boy, you live in Jamaica, you're going like say you don't like you hate Jamaica and because when we do the video me did talk like say me a Yankee. Me a telling you say me a Jamaican and me go a yard. Me not even have to tell you say me a Jamaican again. Me go a yard, go see it. So Batman full up the place in certain places. So now if you hear say in that same area there when me go see them, then draw a man and rob and rape him. And tie him up and rape him. Gang rape and them sitting there. And them things that go on the yard. Boy, I'm not no more for step on the topic here, so it's SouFLoTV. Leave your comment, like, share, subscribe. I could have a dialogue about this one for real, because that one really hurt up my head. Like, it disturbed my meditation, Jano. I don't like how that one there sound at all. I could talk about it here. Yeah, I'm out.